So do you guys remember Cathy Wood? She was the all-star fund manager that was the poster child, if you will, of the post-COVID stock market boom, 2020 and 2021. Because she invests in those sort of early stage, hyper-growth, risk-on stocks that tend to do really well when there's a lot of liquidity in markets, when investors themselves are feeling really risk-on, when investors want to look for the next big thing, when they want to invest in what could make them a 10x or 20x return. We had that environment in 2020, 2021, really good times in the market, and no surprise, Cathy Wood's ETF, the ARK Innovation Fund, ARK, went absolutely parabolic, scored huge returns for its investors. But of course, since then, we haven't really had a risk-on environment, right? The 2022 inflation crash was absolutely awful for tech stocks, killed investor appetite, killed risk sentiment, and sure, the AI boom has been a real big thing these last 2 years, 23 and 24, but it hasn't really created a big risk-on swell like we saw after COVID in 2020 and 2021. It's been good for certain tech stocks, but not good for the whole market. We haven't really seen really high investor sentiment until now. Because that same fund, Cathy Wood's fund, the ARK ETF, it is on the cusp of a major technical breakout. And I think this is a monumental moment for markets. $67, go pull up the chart. $67 was the resistance level for the ARK ETF. Fell below it in early 2022, tried to retake it, failed, has essentially languished below that level ever since then, throughout 22, 23, and 24. Then in February 25, it tried to make a run for 67, got rejected and came back down because of the trade war. But now, just now here in late June 25, it's straight lined up 70% in the last like 2 months or so, broke above 67, now we're at 68, 69, 70. This is a big technical breakout moment for the ARK ETF. So I think that means you got to buy ARK, but what I also think that means is it tells us a lot about the market environment we are in. This is turning into a really risk-on environment. This is turning on to a really good times are rolling period on Wall Street. I think the next 12 months are going to be really, really fun, reminiscent of that 2020, 2021 COVID boom. ARK ETF is the head of the snake right now. I think the rest of the market's the body, and it will follow.